I'll be talking about three AI websites that are currently hiring. Of course, guys, they are hidden, and most people don't really know much about them. So, guys, I want you to be with me right to the end of this video because I'll be showing you how you can simply get access to the available jobs and what they are all about in this video. So please make sure you actually stick with me right to the end. The first one on our list is simply called Sapien AI. So guys, as you can see right here on the Sapien AI, you can simply train AI and do a whole lot of things. All right. So now to actually get access to the jobs right here on the Sapien, we need to actually come to where you see complaint right there. So when you click on complaints, you need to see careers right there. So when you click on careers, guys, you'll be redirected to what to see right here. So guys, you can actually see the open roles right there just for you. So you can apply to any one of these. Of course, guys, you can simply take your time and go through it. So you can simply click on all these open roles for more uh roles right there. All right, so you can simply do that. Now, this is the first website on this. Now, I'll simply talk about the second website. Of course, guys, the second website actually massive. You can simply make use of it and start earning almost immediately. So the second website is simply called Taskverse right here. So on Taskverse, you simply complete paid tasks from anywhere in the world. You can simply become a tasker to qualify for tasks for paid tasks today. And to actually get started, you simply want to come here and create your account. It is totally free, alright? Of course, guys, I'll be making another video on this. Alright, I'll show you how you can simply sign up and complete tasks. So as you can see, Taskverse is an open platform that connects our global community of freelancers called taskers to a variety of tasks to empower the world's most disruptive companies. As a tasker, you can complete paid tasks on your schedule from anywhere in the world. Right. So now this is why you need to join Taskverse right here, and you can simply come here. This is why you need to join flexible and remote fair pay people first. They have meaningful project, and this is how it works. You want to sign up, qualify for tax, start taxing, and get paid. So it is simple as that. And this the tax right here you can actually get access to. We have digital customer experience, AI data labeling, and they have content moderation. And of course, guys, they have annotate images, so you can annotate images right here. You can also record your speech and get paid. You can tag words right here, and they also have audio transcriptions. You can transcribe audio right here on the tax verse, right? So now you can get more information by coming right here. So now the third hidden platform is simply called Kili. So now corporate enterprise teams use Kili premium software to actually organize their massive data sets. Or here's what most creators won't tell you about Kili. Kili has an open full human marketplace where everyday remote workers are paid to do the actual data labeling. All right. So now the tax here focus heavily on cross-modal data verification, and this means the system will show you a video clip or an image alongside a block of text generated by an AI model, and your job is to read the text and verify if the AI's description perfectly and accurately matches what is happening in the visual media, right? So it is pure quality assurance, and it pays already in dollars. So guys, now this is the insider secret to actually getting approved right here on this website. So guys, now KDE uses a highly advanced automated grading system for their onboarding checks. Now, if your accuracy rating drops even slightly below their target threshold on their practice tax, your account gets restricted before you even see the main marketplace. So, guys, you want to read their baseline documentation carefully before hitting start. All right. Now, you will take your time on the evaluations and trees every single sample task like a final exam. You can simply come to where you see job openings to actually get started. All right. Now that you have the names of these three platforms, you need to know the coding operational rules to make sure your accounts don't get instantly shadow banned or detected. First, never use a VPN when setting up your profiles or doing tasks on Sapiens, Taskverse, or Kili. Alright, now their security modules track your underlying network signature, and using a proxy or a VPN will flag your account for fraud immediately. The use of VPN is highly prohibited right here on these platforms. So the second one, when filling out your language index, you need to maximize your proficiency and don't just list one generic language. If you speak or understand local dialects or conversational variations, AI platforms desperately need regional data, and listing your language skills accurately opens up exclusive IP task loops that other workers can't access. So that is very important. And if you want the direct registration links, I want you to actually click in the description below and join our Elite community on the Logic Income Academy Telegram channel. You find the link in the description, all right? So you want to go set up your account on this new platform today. Stay consistent and let's keep building this income pipeline.